So we're here in London at the big London Tattoo Convention. We're going to be asking as many people as we can, one, whether they like black and grey or colour, and two, whether they can spot the difference between two different artists, one that learnt the traditional way and the other learnt following a 6-month online course. So let's have a look. If you were to get a tattoo, would it be colour or black and grey?
Grey.
Black and grey, that's one. If you were to get a tattoo, would it be colour or black and grey?
Black and grey.
Yeah, that's two. Thank you. Real quick, if you were to get a tattoo now, would it be black and grey or colour?
Black and grey.
Both black and grey. Thank you. If you were to choose one of these artists,
Yep.
which one would you let tattoo you?
B.
B?
Yeah.
What about these ones?
B again.
B?
Yeah.
Would it shock you that this A, the different artists, but they've had an apprenticeship, worked in a shop, years and years of experience.
Okay.
B, I taught them how to tattoo online in 6 months.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, that is shocking.
Would that shock you?
Yeah, it would.
First one done. Thank you.
That's all right.
Enjoy the day. Excuse me, real quick. If you were to get a tattoo now, would it be black and grey or colour?
Black and grey.
Black and grey,
Yeah,
both?
for me.
Both. Thank you. Excuse me, lads.
Yeah.
Just quick. If you get in your next tattoo, black and grey or colour?
Black and grey.
They're black and grey.
Black and grey.
Black and grey.
Racist, but black and grey.
Black and grey.
Black and grey, mate. Black and grey. I think black and grey.
All black and grey. Yes, fellas. Excuse me. If you were to get a tattoo now, would it be black and grey or colour?
Black and grey.
Black and grey as well.
Why no colour?
Just not into it.
I don't
No,
like
same.
tattoos either.
Everybody loves black and grey. Thank you. Black and grey or colour?
Black and grey.
Why not colour?
Because it wouldn't match.
Yeah, I'd prefer black and grey, but everybody that we've asked so far, black and grey.
I don't know, it's just the style now, isn't it?
Yeah, thank you. Excuse me, can I grab you for a sec?
Yeah.
If you were to choose one of these artists, which artist would you choose?
Probably B.
B? What about these two?
Probably B again.
Do you think that you can learn how to tattoo online, or that you've got to have a traditional apprenticeship?
Probably have an apprenticeship.
Both of the Bs I taught to tattoo online.
Really?
Both of the A's had a traditional apprenticeship and worked in a shop for years. Enjoy your day.
Yeah, you too are.
If you were to get a tattoo now, would it be black and grey or colour?
Black and grey.
Yeah, same.
Yeah.
Black and grey. Yeah. Everybody black and grey so far. Thank you. If you were to get a tattoo right now,
Yes.
black and grey or colour?
Right, black and grey.
Why not colour?
I prefer black and grey.
Yeah, same.
Personal preference.
Everybody that we've asked so far, black and grey.
Can I have a look at them two then?
Nobody said colour yet.
That's my personal preference. That's not saying anything against the colour work, but black and grey just, I feel like it flows better.
Yeah, thank you. Top man. Cheers. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Have a good one.
Excuse me, can I bother you a second?
Sure.
If you were to let one of these artists tattoo you, which one would it be, A or B?
B.
B.
B?
Yeah.
What about these, A or B?
B.
B.
Would it surprise you that I taught Bs how to tattoo in 6 months online? They didn't have a traditional apprenticeship. A's had an apprenticeship and they've been working in the industry for years.
Cool. I like the lettering.
It's just to prove to people that you don't have to have a traditional apprenticeship to get into industry. Thank you for your time.
No worries.
Oh, you have a good day. If you were to get a tattoo now, would it be black and grey or colour?
Black and grey.
Black and grey, you?
Black and grey.
Everybody, thank you.
Cheers, man.
So everybody that we've asked so far has just said black and grey. We are not stopping until we find at least one person that actually wants a colour tattoo. So come on. Would you pick black and grey or colour?
Black and grey.
Black and grey? Colour. We found one. Your first person that we've asked.
Did you say?
Colour.
Hey. We needed to find you.
So we've completed the challenge. We've actually found one person that says colour. Thank you. Enjoy your walk around, lads. Excuse me. If you were to get a tattoo today, would it be black and grey or colour?
Colour.
Colour?
Yeah.
Another one.
Also colour, yeah.
Colour.
Colour, definitely.
3 colours, where are they all coming from? Cheers. Thank you. Everybody said black and grey so far, apart from one. If you were to get a tattoo now, would it be black and grey or colour?
Colour.
Colour.
Black and grey.
Black and grey. 50-50, thank you. Excuse me.
Hey.
If you were to get a tattoo right now, would it be black and grey or colour?
We were just talking about this. There's black and grey.
Black and grey?
I'd get colour, yeah.
Colour. Any particular reason why colour?
I
just think it looks really sick, and it's a little more interesting than black look. Might be a controversial opinion.
So black and grey is boring.
Didn't use that word. Didn't use that word.
Why not colour?
Because I think it would make it harder for me to get changed. So I don't know what matches with it. Tattoo.
Enjoy your walk around. Thank you.
Thank you so much.